Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are here in Arpora to check out the cream pump. So we saw the pictures of the cream pump on Instagram and we decided to check this out. The cream pump is around 3 kilometers from Baga, Kalangut. So it's not quite far. You just either you can come from this road behind here, but we came from this view road here because we were in Baga, so we came from there. So this is an amazing place. We will check out what is special over here. But you can check out cream pump on Instagram. You can check out what else you get here. Actually amazing. You get good ice creams and sundaes over here. So this is what is offered here. You can see the fresh coconut filled ice cream with homemade cream around 250 rupees. The banana split fish 250 and the melon. So today we are trying out the melon mania. So let's check out.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stay. I'm a pretty boss with all my shit brainwashed. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you bad.
So how long is this place been running? 7 years?
Yes.
7 years. And
और 7 साल के बाद हम लोग को आज पता चला है this is so.
Before I had a ice cream
okay.
here in here only.
But your creativity is so good. How?
Just we try to make some things. We started with brownie also.
So how has COVID affected your business?
Yeah, but I have my regular customer, like regular crowd. In 2020, it's better. There is no expectations.
Okay.
Just be healthy and be safe.
Yeah.
There's not much expectations.
So guys, as you can see, he's preparing nice delicious item for us, and you can see that he's following all the COVID guidelines, so there is nothing to worry. He has placed sanitizer and everything over here, so you can please be safe, you can feel safe, and you can come to Cream Pump and enjoy.
So brother, what's a good name?
My name is Rocky.
Rocky.
We like to do fusion of fruits like with cream, with homemade creams, ice cream, and we serve only what is available in the market, like fruits. Now in season we have sitafal, so we are doing sitafal cream.
So what is this what you are making right now?
For this that there is no specific name. We just called it coconut filled with ice cream.
Okay.
We scrape the coconut, in that we have nuts, honey almond sauce, cream. We mix all that and serve with vanilla ice cream. Because vanilla goes good with cream and then coconut malai.
There is online payment facility here, and you can also pay by cash. He accepts Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay, so there is no worries about that. The different varieties of items that you get here.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about. Quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unshoe, key in ignition.
So guys, we had an amazing experience at the Cream Pump. So see you here at Cream Pump. That's Rocky, that's me, Kalandar, that's Sadhya.
Take care, be safe.
Thank you.
brother. Bye.
Bye bye.
Green
Cream Pump! So we tried two amazing ice creams from the cream pump. One was the Melon Mania and the other was fresh tender coconut mixed with ice cream. And Sadia had almost I think Sadia ate almost both the things and I got just 2 spoonfuls to eat. So Sadia will tell how she felt about it. I think, but whatever I tasted, it was just amazing. Yeah, amazing.
सो फर्स्ट मैं मस्क मेलन के बारे में बताऊंगी. वो जो उसकी टॉपिंग थी, इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग, बहुत अच्छी थी. और उसके अंदर क्रीम के साथ जो मस्क मेलन पीसेस थे, वाओ, मस्क मेलन पीसेस जो थे वो क्रीम के साथ इतने अच्छे लग रहे थे. लाइक इट वाज अमेजिंग टेस्ट, नॉट दैट स्वीट, इतना स्वीटनेस भी नहीं था, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. एंड अबाउट कोकोनट का जो क्रश्ड कोकोनट रहता है वो वाला एंड टेंडर कोकोनट उसको मिक्स करके इट वाज लाइक फिरनी समथिंग लाइक खीर जैसा लग रहा था वो, बट विद द स्कूप्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम. इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग गाइज. अगर किसी को आइसक्रीम का क्रेज है तो प्लीज डू विजिट क्रीम पंप जो कि आरपोरा में है.
And a big thumbs up to the owner of the cream pump, Mr. Rocky. He was so generous and he was so friendly and he's so creative with his work.
सबसे अमेजिंग बात ये है कि ही इज सो फ्रेंडली विथ हिज कस्टमर्स. बहुत अच्छा लगा, वो इतने अच्छे से पूछता है कि क्या चाहिए, एक्सप्लेन करता है कि आप लोग को इसमें ये सब मिलेगा. लाइक कोकोनट में वो कह रहा था कि इसमें ये सब मिक्स होगा एंड द स्कूप्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम्स रहेंगे और रेट्स भी बहुत रिजनेबल है.
Yeah, the rates are quite reasonable, quite affordable for the Melon Mania was around 200 rupees and the fresh coconut mixed with ice cream was around rupees 250. So I felt it quite reasonable for the quantity that you get and the taste that you get. So guys, you have to try it out if you've not been there. If you're around in North Goa side and if you're around Arpora, Baga, Kalangut side, not quite far, you just have to go and visit there. It is near the Saturday night bazaar in Arpora, so it's just close by. You can just go to Google Maps and type the cream pump and you will reach to the destination. I will post some links in the description to follow their Instagram for the cream pump. You can check out the amazing photographs he has posted there and you can just, and we reached there because we saw the great photographs of that place and of the great ice creams that they have, and that is how we reached the cream pump. So guys, that is how we would like to end this video. See you in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe to our videos. Hit the notification icon and get all our notifications, and see you in the next video. Bye.